Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, friends. This is actually second part of previous video when we are creating the API in Python Django using the Django REST framework, and then we are consuming that API in Oracle Apex, and we are also testing in Postman. When we are testing in Postman, we are facing issue in delete and update. So I found the reason why it was actually problem was coming, so I want to share that one also, and also I will share how we can make the responses on update and delete, how we can get the responses. So let's start. This is actually our view. We have one view for list view for create and show the product. We can use this one, and this one actually second view, which is retrieving the data, update and destroy. Destroy means delete the record, delete record and update record. Updating, actually we are using two way. We are updating using the put and patch. Patch is used actually for partial update, and put is used, as per my knowledge, for complete update. So in this view we edit the responses also. We use the method of the update, and we are saying if update is done, then send this response, product updated successfully. We are importing the status from REST framework, generate REST status. And second response is for deletion, product delete successfully. Here we are sending. So these two method I found and I added here. This is just for showing the message and the result of the API. The issue, what was the issue actually I was facing? So first I will show you the database. It is blank, there is no record. First we can try to create the record. Okay, we already know that we have token and all the things here. That is here in header we have token also, everything is okay. But what mistake actually we are doing, that's why it was coming. Number one thing, if you can change the port. I was using the 8000 port, while actually I was using the 8080 port number 8080. That's why Postman is not showing the response. For example, if I will say here, you can see there is no response. So I was actually surprised why response was not coming. Then I check on ChatGPT, so it is saying the port is different. We are using 8080 port here, 8080. So first of all we have to correct the port. Second thing, still you will see the error. Now I am going to use the post. You can see 5000 internal error is showing. The reason behind this is actually in last we have to put another slash. Now you can see this orange price 19.99 is still not in our database. Now it will be fine. We can, this is inserted in our database now. You can see here, and the ID is 47. And for updating this one we have to use the put, and I was also not using here the slash. I was just putting 47 primary key, but I'm not using, like for example now I will put here, I will see what result will come. 500 internal error. So again I have to put here slash, and I can update this orange to, for example, apple. Now you see here the message also coming, product updated successfully. product ID, and here also we can refresh the data. Data is refreshed. That's why we added here the for update, na? And for deletion also, for example, I want to delete this one, I can put here delete, and I will run this one. Product delete successfully, product ID null, and we can check the database, so it is blank. So now this issue is also resolved. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.